Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining all about global warming as well as greenhouse effect. In order to explain this global warming and greenhouse effects, what we have done, we have implemented a simple working model. So first of all, understand what is all about global warming. So global warming means Earth temperature is slowly increasing. Too much heat from the sun is trapped inside this Earth atmosphere because the heat is getting trapped within the Earth's atmosphere. This heat trapping happens due to natural process called as a greenhouse effect. Then what is all about greenhouse effect? The Earth atmosphere has gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and water vapor. The Earth atmosphere is majorly made up of these three things. And these gases acts as a blanket to our environment. This blanket normally it allows small heat to pass back to the space. Normally this is good because we wanted to keep our earth warm because of this blanket. But what is happening is these gases are now it is getting trapped too much heat within this atmosphere by using these natural gases. Because of that, the planet is getting hotter and hotter. That leads to global warming. Now let us understand what are the various reasons for causes of this global warming. The major causes of global warming is burning fuel. So what we are doing on day-to-day basis is we are burning the coal, we are burning the petrol, we are burning the diesel for our cars, factories, electricity. Because of that, we are producing more carbon dioxide. And the second thing is we are cutting down the trees. We are doing more deforestation. When we are doing more deforestation, what happens? Number of trees are getting lesser, and number of trees, when it becomes lesser, absorption of carbon dioxide is also become lesser. Because of that, again, what happens is this carbon dioxide is increasing in the environment. And the third point is waste and pollution from industries and farms releases harmful gases like methane. Because we are getting more wastage is getting generated. It could be dry waste, wet waste, and also pollution is creating because of this global warming. And 11th is because of our increase in the population, and again the energy use, the more cars, more factories, electricity is being used. Because of that, more heat is getting trapped by using these gases. Then we understood what is all about causes of global warming. Now let us understand how to prevent or reduce the global warming. So in order to prevent or reduce the global warming is we should plant more trees, because when we plant more trees, what happens is it is going to absorb, these plants or trees are going to absorb carbon dioxide, and it is going to release cool air outside with oxygen. That is also going to improve our global warming mechanism. And use of clean energy, like if you use solar energy, wind energy, or hydropower instead of coal or petrol, even that time we can prevent the global warming. And even if we save electricity, wherever we require lights, then only switch on, otherwise we have to switch off. Then we are going to save electricity. When we save electricity, we can avoid using of this coal or petrol for generating electricity. And the fourth important thing is we have to reduce, reuse, and recycle concept if we adopt. Like less waste means less pollution and lesser global warming. This is how you should explain in your science exhibition project, like what is all about global warming, what is the greenhouse effects, what are the causes of global warming, and how to prevent it. So entire concept we have explained in this working model.